Hello everybody, I'm here to give you a really quick video on the Alpha Bidet that I installed yesterday morning. It's luxury that we've never had before. We've had bidets before, but not like this. This is on a whole nother level, and I would say worth every penny. Comes with a remote control that has double-sided tape so you can attach it to your wall. Controls the bidet quite well. All the functionality is excellent and works as it is described. The plumbing was really easy to do. You'll need a flat edge screwdriver, a couple of wrenches. I used some Teflon tape. Didn't need it. It comes with its own T unit and the hose. Everything works as stated. I will tell you, it was easy to put in. Took me about 30 minutes. It's very clean. It is also a soft close bidet. All the functions work quite well. The seat, as I'm touching it right here, is warm. The water comes out warm, as you can see. It cleanses the probe, the cleaner head before you use it. When you sit down on this and you put pressure on it, you can see it rinsing the head really quick, and then of course you do your thing. We have our own night light that we have on this thing, and then of course it comes with a white or clear night light for at night. This is soft close. When you go to close it, however you're doing it, it does go down on its own very nicely. It does sit up a little bit higher, as you can tell. Couldn't be happier. The wife loves it. When you sit down and do your thing, you're gonna love it. And with that, I'll make sure that you get a toilet, the bidet that fits your toilet, whether it's a round toilet bowl or an elongated. Ours was an elongated. It fits extremely well and was very easy to install. So good luck, and I hope you enjoy.